Good morning children, welcome to our science session. Now we are going to the lesson adaptation in animals. Adaptation అంటే మనము దగ్గర తీయడం, దత్తత తీయడం. కొందరు అంటారు కదా పిల్లలు లేని వాళ్ళని వేరే వాళ్ళ పిల్లల్ని దత్తత తీసుకుంటామని. That is called adaptation. This is that we have to learn about that in this lesson. You know that we have to adaptation plans also. Just you see, I will show the textbook now. See this. This is our lesson. See, eye connect is there, that is plants and animals, adaptation in animals. In this, here is this one picture is there, one child is pouring the water, watering the plant. This is her plant to adaptation. See, in this Savita was watering the plants in her garden. Suddenly she shouted at the top of her voice. She looked the place and scared. I am not going to water the plants ever again, she said. Daddy came run into the garden where Savita was watering the plants. What happened? Why you are so afraid? Daddy inquired. There was a chameleon in the grass and I just could not see it, explained. Daddy laughed. How could I miss you, such a big chameleon? Savita was surprised. Its color was just the same as the grass. That her daddy said chameleon was the smart. What they know how to hide, Daddy said to the Savita. Then Daddy said to the Savita, and how again Daddy laughed. How could I miss you, such big chameleon? Savita was surprised. It is color, we just same the grass, and that chameleon are smarts, they know how to hide. Again Daddy said, why? Because chameleons have one good such as that is she or it changes the color where it is there, that it had to change the color, change its colors. Then Daddy said, you know that what happened, how can happen the changes all around us, how can happen it is that chameleon changes its colors. Asked to Savita to her daddy that look at how a small bird changing into beautiful flower. Her daddy explained to, see, you are pouring the water to plants, how a bird ante mogga ella flower aitundi, like that the chameleon change into colors where they have to change the colors. Then the beautiful flower day by day changing into night seasons. How? Yes, we have to day and night, the seasons also changing with time. All of us, including plants and animals, need to change in order to stay alive. Yes, we are also small baby in months, 2 months, 3 months, gradually it changes into the baby. Then we have to changes. The process of developing special features in order to cope up with the changes in environment is called adaptation. Yes, the process of developing special features in order to cope up with the changes in environment called adaptation. That all living things adapt to survive. Yes, we have to go to adapt to survive. They need to adapt in order to find food, shelter, air, water, protection from the predators, and the place to nature their young ones. Place to nature their young ones. But what happens if a living thing is unable to adapt to its environment? It dies. The nature cannot adapt to the child, it dies. Because of, consider the examples of dinosaurs. Just like we find the cats and dogs around us today. The centuries ago. What is that? Centuries ago అంటే 100 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం. The large number of dinosaurs used to live on earth. Centuries ago the dinosaurs are living in our earth. We do not find them anywhere now because of the nature did not adapt in these days. then it believes that they could not adapt to the changing climate of on the earth. That they could not adapt to the changing of climate on the earth. Let us how learn about the kinds of adaptations in the animals. How many classifications are there in our animals? Let us we have to learn. The adaptations of environment. Animals live in different places on earth. The places where we live in organisms in lives in nature, it is known as habitat. See is this. Animals live in different places on the earth. Yes, we have to live in different places. We also living in these places. Our parents are living another places. Our grandparents are living another places. Their habitations. The place where a living organism lives in nature is known as its habitat. That is called its habitat. It is the natural home of an animal. An animal are human beings. That animals can be classified into 5 major categories on the basis of their habitats. How many types they have? We have to classification 5 types. How many? 5 types. First one, terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals. Aquatic. Aquatic animals. Amphibians. Amphibians. Animals. Aerial animals. How many types of we have to classified animals? Which type of, how can we classify them? The basis of their habitats. We can call it classification of them 5 types: terrestrial, aquatic, amphibious, abnormal and aerial. These about that we have to classification 5 types of animals. 5 types of animals. Now we have to learn about that terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals are that live on our land are called terrestrial animals. Example, horse, cows, pigs and dogs are examples of domestic land animals. Tigers, cheetah, elephants and bears are examples of wild animals. They have to live on land. ఏవైతే భూమిపైన నివసిస్తాయో వాటిని టెరెస్ట్రియల్ యానిమల్స్ అంటారు. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద adaptive features of terrestrial animals we are discussed below. First of all, look at the picture. Here it is tiger is there. Here it is one snake is there. We have to discuss some of them. See important points that most of the terrestrial animals breathe with the help of their lungs. Yes, in that before the lesson we have to learn about that. Most of the animals breathe with the help of their lungs. And second one, they have legs to walk on land, and the animals have legs to walk on land, but there are some animals such as snake that do not have legs. Examples, we have to observe the picture. The snake have a legs? No, but a tiger have a legs. They can move on land, go to with the help of legs. But snake, how can they move? Just we have to see that they crawl along the ground. అంటే పాక్కుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. ఎట్లా వెళ్తుంది? పాక్కుంటూ వెళ్తుంది. Which one? The snake. Next, let us learn how terrestrial animals survive in the places such as deserts and polar regions where the climate is extremely harsh. Yes, we have to know that desert. How can we call, what is the weather of that? In the desert, so much hot. We cannot find the water anywhere. We can some of water we can find the desert areas. In that next one, polar regions. Polar regions means so much totally covered with the snow. Why? Because it is totally covered with snow. The places are very cool. The cool places, how can the animals survive? In the so much hot places, in the desert areas, how can they survive the animals? Next session we have to learn about these deserts and polar regions animals, how can they survive. And that most important notice is, Nana, you should send answer sheets, FA1 answer sheets to the schools. All members write the answers and send to the answer sheets to the school and submit in the school. Dear children should understand, you are now in 4th. You are in last year 3rd class. Those who are write the FA1 exam, they can promoted to the 4th class. They have to go into 4th class. We are giving attendance. Those who are send to submit in the office answer sheets, we are giving attendance. Children compulsory write the FA1 exams. You are understanding. We are not understanding the lessons. Yes, you can't understand in lesson because of you not buy the textbooks. You not buy the textbooks. Then you should buy the textbooks. You can understand the lesson as well as the application book also complete. You should buy the textbooks. Then you write the answer sheets and send it to the answer sheets, submit in the office. Compulsory within 2 days you should compulsory submit in the office. Then you have to promote the next class. Thank you.